Well, welcome to a tutorial on how to set up your shop. My name is Travis. I am the marketing person on our team, and I'm going to be showing you how to upload and create your own shop on Hypermarket. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to click Start for Free. I already have an account. I'm going to be using Daniel, our founder's account. So these are already pre-made storefronts basically, so each one is a different one. So he has his purpose workbook, the Wavelength podcast, Robo Gaming assets. We're going to work on this one. So in order to do that, we're going to hit create site, continue. You're just going to plug all your information in. Since I already have that created, I'm going to just go to this. I've already plugged in all the information, which I just showed you on the previous screen. So now we're going to break it up into collections. So the cool part about this is that each collection is kind of like a different group in a sense. So I already have this one, but for tutorial purposes, I'm going to show you how to create one from scratch. So down here in the bottom left corner, I'm going to hit new collection. Now I am going to call it 30 days. Actually, I'm just going to call it Marriage Journal 2.0. And then you can put your description. I already have thumbnails for it, so I'm going to go ahead and upload those thumbnails. And then this is like a banner type of like header situation, so I already have that as well. So I'm just going to upload those. And I'm just gonna put this in here just so we can continue. You can change your color theme to light or dark, and then these are just different font styles. So let's just do light and classy. And then if you have a YouTube, Instagram, Discord, or Twitter, you just plug those in. If you don't, no worries. Go ahead and hit continue. This is going to be the unit price per item. So I am going to list the journals for $30 each. Just going to hit continue. And then this is just a collector's fee. I'm just going to put 10% for right now. You can change that if you want. Okay, so now we're on the add product details page. So I can do this, or I can import products, but we're gonna upload the products. So the first one we're gonna do is we're gonna do Daniel's journal. So I'm gonna hit, I'm just gonna add this first, this photo. And then you can add attributes, so like color, style, rarity. I'm not going to add any of that as of right now, but you can always add that in later. So here's the image. You can also update it if you uploaded the wrong one. So here's the title. I'm going to put the actual title. I have on a separate screen a document that just says all my information. So that's the title, and then I'm going to copy the description. So we'll hit save product. Cool. And then say if I forgot something, I can always hit this little pencil tool. I can add stuff in later. So that is our first item. I'm going to upload the other journal, which is Lizzie's journal. So same thing. hers has a different title. So hers is 30 days, 30 ways to his heart. And then I have a description for that as well. I'm gonna paste that in, and then we'll hit save. Cool. So now we have our 2 items that I'm doing. I'm gonna hit continue. So this is our storefront for right now, and they're unpublished right now. So what I would really recommend is you get all your details kind of squared away. Everything you want finalized before you hit this publish button. So I'm just gonna go in and just double check a few things. So I can double check my prices, secondary fee, products. So this is another way to get to your products page. You can preview your page. You can toggle with the appearance of your page. So if I wanted to change the font to light or modern or techie, classy, whatever you want, I'm gonna just go with modern, and then we can also change the colors. So if you want to change the background to maybe like a light blue, or maybe like a pink, you can definitely do that. And then accent color, same thing. So you do like a blue, maybe like a red, pink, whatever you decide. Text color, we can change that. I'm gonna keep it black, and yeah, you can hit dark and it changes them to those. Whatever style you want that kind of maximizes your storefront. I'm going to keep it light because I kind of just like those colors. I'm going to hit save changes. Now I'm going to go into preview just to double check everything and make sure everything's how I want it. I'm going to go into add product just to go over if these are correct for me, and it looks like I like them. I'm gonna hit continue, and then we can hit publish collection. Okay, so collection is published. Now this is just the first step you need to do in order to go have your storefront actually public. So I'm going to go up to content right here, and under content there's groups, and then there's content. So this is basically we're creating the back end of the portion of your storefront. So say if somebody does purchase your item, you're creating all the details and the files where they get once they purchase the file, they can get to this back end part, download your file, and use it however they would like. So I already have all my assets created. So I'd encourage you guys, when you have your product, like all your detailed stuff such as like thumbnails, banners, titles, descriptions, make sure all that's all prepared before you step into creating this with Hypermarket, or else you're just gonna have to do a lot of back and forth. I already have all that collected, so I'm gonna start with Daniel's journal. So I'm gonna paste the title, and then I'm gonna do his thumbnail really quick, which is just this book cover, and then I have a banner as well. Perfect. And then I'm gonna link it to Marriage Journals 2.0 because that's what we're working on. If it was a different collection, this is one I previously created, but for demo purposes, I'm using this one. I'm going to put the same description in. And then you're gonna wanna check this if this is an exclusive group. So for me, I don't want people to access this unless they purchase this. So I'm going to check this, and this will make it an exclusive link to the buyers that gets sent to them once they purchase it. So I'm going to hit create. It's going to say content was created successfully. Awesome. I'm going to also create Lizzie's group as well. So very easy, can do that really quick as well since I have all that information. For me, what I do is I just have it listed in a separate document, and I can easily just paste it in here when I need it. That way I don't have to kind of scrounge and pick things up. So again, Marriage Journals 2.0, make this exclusive. I'm gonna upload Lizzie's photo, which is just this cover. And then we also have a banner for her as well. Awesome, I'm gonna hit create. Cool, I have my 2 different groups. So now I'm gonna go to content. I'm gonna hit get started. Same thing, but this is where we're gonna actually list the actual file. So let's start with Daniel's. So 30 days, 30 ways to her heart. I'm actually gonna put by Daniel Wadzinski, just so it's a little more clear. And then I'm gonna upload the banner, which we have right here. Now you can put a different content here. I'm just gonna put the description of the book right here. You can put kind of like a thank you message, or you can put, this link includes this, or, whatever you want, you can include right here. Maybe it's a list of your social medias, whatever you want, you can put right here. I'm going to attach the actual file. I have it right here. Now, as of right now, it needs to be under 30 megabytes. So this is a compressed file. If it is larger, it will say in red text right here. I'll actually just show you. If I upload this larger file, it says max size is 30 megabytes. So I already have a solution for that, which is a smaller compressed file. And then I'm going to add the tags in. So journals, ebook. Now this isn't like a typical tagging system where like you can add commas. This you have to enter them and then hit enter. So this part might take a little bit, but not too difficult. Okay, I'm satisfied with my tags. I'm going to now add the group. So it's really important that you add the group first before you add the content. So where should this post to? So this is going to post to 30 days, 30 ways to her heart, which that is Daniel's book. If you do all this and you can't post it anywhere, it will not let you proceed to the next page. So that's why you have to create the group first. So I feel satisfied with all this. I'm going to hit create. And then content was created successfully. You get that little notification up here. Awesome. And then it's listed right here. Cool. So now if I would like to add one more item, which I do, I'm going to hit create right here. Now we're just going to do Lizzie's. We're going to add our thumbnail or our banner. And then I'm going to add my compressed file. Boom. We're going to add our description. And then we're going to add our tags. And last but not least, we're going to click 30 days, 30 ways to his heart. That is Lizzie's book. We're going to hit create. Awesome. Right here it's listed. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go up here to the top left corner, hit preview, and I'm going to hit in this bottom left corner, before we go there, site status says live down here, which that's what we want. I can also edit my domain right here. So if I want this to say, something else, I can change that. You can do that right there. I'm just going to keep it like that for now. But yeah, I'm going to hit view site. It's going to take me to the storefront that we just created. And I'm going to probably just change the way this looks just so we can read this better. But yeah, that you go into appearance. It's going to save that. I'm just going to go here, preview and view collection, and my site is all up and ready. So I can click here. It says more about my item. As your item gets purchased more, you can be able to see the price history and all that. But yeah, I feel satisfied with this, and yeah. So say if I wanted to buy it, I'd hit buy. I can add to cart. It's going to ask for your credit card information, and then you can hit checkout, and boom, your storefront is basically all ready. Yeah, so that is how you create your storefront. Just one storefront. So Daniel has multiple ones. So we could go to those as well. This is his Wavelength podcast one. We can preview that. Each one of these are like $4.99. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. If you wanted to add a card, purchase it, and then it would take you to a page where it has access to those files. So yeah, comment below if you guys have any questions on this video. If you have any suggestions as well, we would love to implement them at Hypermarket. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for future content.